Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to earn free crypto without spending a single dime. Yep, you heard that right. We're talking about crypto airdrops and faucets. These are legit ways to get free crypto, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to expand your crypto portfolio, this video is for you. So, grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's get started because this is going to be taking a deep dive into the world of free crypto. Alright, let's start with the basics. What the heck are crypto airdrops? Think of them like free samples. Companies or projects distribute free tokens to your wallet as a way to promote their new crypto. It's like getting a free slice of pizza to try out a new restaurant. But instead of pizza, you're getting crypto. Sounds awesome, right? Well, it is, but there's a catch: you need to know how to find legit airdrops and avoid scams. Don't worry, I'll cover all of that. Not all airdrops are created equal. There are different types, and I'm going to break them down for you. 1. Standard airdrops. These are the simplest. You just need to hold a specific cryptocurrency in your wallet, and boom, you qualify for free tokens. No extra steps required. 2. Bounty airdrops. These require a bit more effort. You might need to follow the project on social media, share posts, or join their Telegram group. It's like doing small tasks to earn your free crypto. 3. Holder airdrops. These are for loyal supporters. If you hold a certain amount of a specific crypto, the project rewards you with free tokens. It's their way of saying thanks for sticking around. 4. Exclusive airdrops. These are invite only. You usually need to be part of a specific community or meet certain criteria to qualify. It's like being on the VIP list for free crypto. Alright, so how do you find these airdrops? Let's talk about some reliable ways to discover legit opportunities. 1. Airdrop aggregator websites. Sites like Airdrop Alert, Airdrops.io, and CoinMarketCap's airdrop section are great places to start. They list ongoing and upcoming airdrops, so you don't have to hunt them down yourself. 2. Social media and crypto communities. Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram are goldmines for airdrop info. Follow crypto influencers and join communities where people share airdrop opportunities. Just be careful, scammers love these platforms too. 3. Project websites and white papers. Sometimes, the best way to find airdrops is to go straight to the source. Check out the websites and white papers of new projects. They often announce airdrops as part of their marketing strategy. Alright, so you've found an airdrop. Now what? Here's how to participate. 1. Set up a crypto wallet. You'll need a wallet to receive your free tokens. MetaMask is a popular choice for Ethereum-based tokens, but make sure your wallet supports the blockchain the airdrop is on. 2. Complete the requirements. Follow the instructions carefully. This might involve signing up, sharing posts, or holding a specific crypto. Don't skip any steps, or you might miss out. 3. Stay safe. Never share your private keys or send crypto to participate in an airdrop. Legit airdrops will never ask for these. If something feels off, it probably is. Now, let's talk about faucets. No, not the kind you drink water from. Crypto faucets are websites or apps that give you small amounts of crypto for completing simple tasks. It's like getting paid in crypto for doing stuff you'd probably do anyway, like watching ads or playing games. Here's how faucets work. You sign up, complete tasks, and earn small amounts of crypto. The catch? The payouts are tiny, so you'll need to be patient. But hey, free crypto is free crypto, right? 1. Micro tasks. These are small tasks like watching ads, filling out surveys, or clicking links. Each task earns you a fraction of a crypto coin. 2. Gaming faucets. Some faucets let you play games to earn crypto. It's a fun way to pass the time and earn a little something on the side. 3. Referral programs. Many faucets have referral programs. If you invite friends to join, you earn a percentage of what they earn. It's a great way to boost your earnings. Now, let's talk about some popular faucets you can try right now. 1. Bitcoin faucets. Sites like freebytco.in and Cointiply are great for earning small amounts of Bitcoin. They've been around for a while and are pretty reliable. 2. Ethereum faucets. Check out ethereum-faucet.org or FireFaucet for small amounts of ETH. Just remember, Ethereum gas fees can eat into your earnings, so be mindful. 3. Multicoin faucets. Sites like FaucetPay and FaucetCrypto let you earn multiple cryptocurrencies. They're a good option if you want to diversify your earnings. Alright, so how do you make the most out of airdrops and faucets? Here are some tips. 1. Be consistent. Faucets pay out small amounts, so consistency is key. Set aside a little time each day to complete tasks. 2. Use multiple faucets. Don't rely on just one faucet. Sign up for a few to maximize your earnings. 3. Stay organized. Keep track of the airdrops you've joined and the faucets you're using. It's easy to lose track, especially if you're juggling multiple opportunities. 4. Watch for scams. Unfortunately, the crypto world is full of scams. Always do your research before participating in an airdrop or using a faucet. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Let's look at some real-life examples of people who've earned crypto through airdrops and faucets. 1. Uniswap airdrop. In 2020, Uniswap airdropped 400 Uni tokens to anyone who had used their platform. At its peak, that was worth over $10,000. Talk about a life-changing airdrop. 2. Faucet success stories. Some people have turned faucet earnings into significant amounts by being consistent and reinvesting their earnings into other crypto opportunities. Alright, we've covered a lot today. Airdrops and faucets are a great way to dip your toes into the crypto world without risking your own money. Just remember to stay safe, do your research, and be patient. Free crypto won't make you rich overnight, but it's a fun way to learn and grow your portfolio. Thanks for sticking with me through this masterclass. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content. And hey, drop a comment below, let me know if you've ever earned crypto through airdrops or faucets. Until next time, stay safe, and happy earning!